a day in the life of besties na businesswoman! So, we are actually selling street foods and all that kasi kakagraduate niya lang din.
Yes.
So, wala kaming magawa. Kaya nag-isip kami, what if mag-sell na lang? And this is the person who's helping us to do our business trip. It's Dali! And she's carrying her product as well. It's Ukoy and
Our bestseller, Lumpia!
Hi guys! Update! For the tambay, it's raining! Makakanding kami. We can't go out. Guys, umuulan. Ba't nandito na kami sa festa namin? Sarap kami ng plaza. Then may school. Ito. In-open lang namin for you guys to see. So, we have fries, fishball, siamay, ukoy, lumpia, our bestseller, and these are sauces. And this is my partner.
Day in a life! Okay.
Sa business, we got the daters. They're watching the business na. Almost sold out. You better not do that. Change outfit na ako kasi enough na naman. So, it's just a set. Wala namin yung mga kailangan.
Hello, what's up? What is doing? Hi, Day in the life! Subo! We are hugas na!